Hello, guys and girls. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Johnson FX. I'm really pleased to have you here. I have not really been available because of school and all that. So I'm really pleased to um, make a video today. So we'll be starting up from the XY. I think I have 2 or 3 pairs. Sorry, 3 or 4 pairs on my watch list. I'll be looking onto. I have apart from DXY, I have GBP, JPY, GPUSD, AUD, JPY. I think that's all. So DXY has been making some kind of funny movements since the past days. It was ranging around. You can see uh this 3 to 4 candle like a correction. So after it broke this trend line here, and given a correction, it is likely that we'll continue to see a push down of the dollar to maybe around this area, and we'll see what the market will even break and continue to go down, to continue pushing to the downside. So with that being said, so let's dive into the lower time frame to see the um, the bigger picture. Okay, here is the 4 hour. Here is the 4 hour, and as you can see, we are looking forward to something. I'm looking forward to something. Something is actually happening here. You can see this is trying to form a ranging candle. It's trying to form something like a double top. That's you see it has tested this place twice, and it might also test this place again for us to see the drop. I believe he's going to have a rejection around this area, and I believe it's going to drop. So we'll be seeing some kind of setup on XSX USD. We'll be seeing more of buy setup if GXY is selling. The likes of Euro USD, ADSD would be buying if DXY is selling. So let's see how it goes. And let's go to the 4 hour. I mean the 1 hour for more clarity. Let's go to the 1 hour. So this is the 1 hour, still the same as the 4 hour, still the same as the 4 hour. So we'll just be looking for something, yeah, like this. Yeah. So that's just it. And let's go to GBPJPY. Let's go to GBPJPY. Yeah, this is GBPJPY. Let's start off from the daily. Let's start off from the daily. Please don't mind the noise of my background. Is my hostel meets. Okay, so this is GBPJPY, and firstly we have to I highlighted the overall structure here. You can see the overall structure, and after the movement of this area here, you can see it was moving like in an ascending type formation, which actually depicts that it would drop. But the last leg here, if you notice the last leg, it was moving in a descending manner. You can see impulse correction, making me pull back to this area. Yeah, so making a pullback to this area, continue, and you can see again, I likely see something like this to drop. So it is actually moving in, you know, a kind of corrective, like impulse correction, another impulse, another correction. So that will be the metrics of this pair. So let's dive into the lower time frame for more clarity. Yeah, this is the 1 hour. Yeah, this is the 1 hour, and we can see the 1 hour of GBPJPY and the price action. We actually need to focus on the recent price action. You can see this area. The pattern we are noticing here is something like an inverse head and shoulder, although it is not perfect. And this is my forecast. So we might likely see a continuation of this trend and continue rallying up, or it would go to this area to rally to this area, you know, and test it again to even make it more stronger for the move to the downside. So that's actually my thought process on this trade, on this setup. So that's actually going to be my thought process on this setup. Might likely see something again like a push for it to just test this area, you know, give us something like a double top here, and we'll see the drop. So that's how it is. And if I see something like that, then if I see something like a corrective move to this area, then I'll be waiting for a rejection. If I don't want to take a risk entry, I'll wait for the first push and the next flag. Take the next 5 minute flag. Take the next 5 minutes flag for shots. So that's just it. The next one is GBP USD. Please guys, pardon me for the noise. Yeah, so this is GBPJPY. Sorry, GBP USD. Yeah, GBP USD. Firstly, I drew out the outer structure. Drew out the outer structure first, and yeah, I highlighted the highs and the lows, because that's actually one of the first things you need to do while approaching a pair. You highlight the levels where there is turning points, where the market has things like rejection and so on. So yeah, it's still also kind of similar to GBPJPY, in the sense that it is having something like a pattern of inverse head and shoulders. You can see, let's take this, the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. Though it's not really perfect, the market can give you picture perfect patterns or setup. You have to use your discretion to go with the market flow, to flow with it. So here is my forecast on GBPJPY. I'm looking forward to something like this, you know, giving me another touch to make it a third touch here after this one, two, and three for me to short. Or I would wait again. If it comes back to this level, it will be ideal for me to take a strong shot, and the movement will be really impulsive when it comes back to test this area, because it has tested this area more than two times now. Yeah, it has tested it more than two times, as you can see on the 1 hour. You can see. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. For AUDJPY will be my last. one. So let's check the daily first. Yeah, this is the daily throughout the outer structure. What we actually need to take notes is what is actually happening, the recent price action. Yeah, the recent price action. You can see there is something going on here. This is actually like a peak range. There is no like you can see there's no much movement. So then we'll be seeing something like this that would even continue going like this. We to get to this area before we start seeing any other move to the upside. So let's focus on what is actually happening at the recent price action. So so this is what I have here. This is what I have here. After this ascending channel, you can see it broke and gave us a like a correction around this area. Continued again, impulse made a pullback, came to take out these liquidity points here and continue, and again came back again to take out this area. Let me make it more clearer. Okay, yeah, so it came back to take out this area this area, and you can see the movement was was corrective. Yeah, the movement was corrective to this area, and it was ideal. It formed something like a double top around this area, and that was where liquidity was lying. And so yeah, it dropped, and again we are seeing something again. Maybe it might go to this area again to test that zone, so it will now form something like a one, two, one, two, three. And that would be ideal for the sell to the downside. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. And if you are joining my channel newly, please do well to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And